Hello guys, today I am going to show you on how to fix Instagram Messenger update not showing.
Android and iOS.
First, let's go to Instagram application. As you can see in the right upper corner of your screen, it is like an arrow icon and not a message icon. This icon will still bring you to the messages, but if you want to change it, this is how you do it. On the right bottom of your screen, click the profile icon. Then click the three horizontal lines on the upper right corner of your screen and click the settings. Now click the privacy. Scroll down and click messages. Here, you can see all the messages control. There is no need to click anything here unless you want to have changes in your messages. After reaching this stage, exit your Instagram and let the app refresh for a moment. It takes quite some time for the icon to be changed, so to make it faster, you can also restart your phone. After restarting, you can now go back to Instagram and you can see the changes. Hopefully you find this video helpful. Please like this video and subscribe to this channel because I will be making more helpful videos like this in the future. That's all for today. See you in the next video.